Okay guys, so I am going to go to the farmer's market now. Need to chug this. My friends are already there, so I just need to hurry. I think I'm just gonna bring this Trader Joe's bag. My purse, which is Kate Spade. These denim jeans, they're from Mango, which is a European company. It's a sister company of Zara. Converse, and then just a white basic tee. I am bringing my camera. I guess we'll see if I end up wanting to film using my camera. 56 degrees outside right now, so I hope that it's not super cold while we're walking around. There's less people here than there was last time so far. However, I'm a lot earlier. I'm cold. I wish I brought a jacket. Here's that little flower shop I went to last time. So cute. I'll leave everything. Sorry, I don't see it. Yeah. 60-40 sourdough, please.
Take and bake lasagnas. They are handmade by a couple. The husband is from Sardinia, Italy, and so all of the ingredients are imported, or I guess most of the ingredients are imported from Italy, including the flour used in the pasta and the tomatoes. But yeah, it's made from scratch Italian, straight to your freezer.
Nice! Could I get one spicy chicken sausage roll, please?
That was so much fun. I had a beautiful time walking around with my friends. Honestly, I mean, today is gonna be kind of a chill day. I don't have anything planned, but I'll see you guys when I get home. So like I said, today's just gonna be a pretty boring day. There's baby boy right there. I'm washing my bedding stuff right now. I didn't get these from the farmer's market. I actually went to Trader Joe's for these. I got some bread at Rebel Bread. I got a loaf of 60-40 sourdough 60-40 sourdough bread. I don't know a lot about sourdough bread, but I know that it's the best for your gut. It's like the best bread. I'm German, which I know some people are probably like, what does that have to do with it? Anything? Really nothing. We love bread. It's like one of my favorite things to eat. You can get as much produce in here for $15. I got some lettuce, a handful of Brussels sprouts. They're literally huge. You can cut these up and this will be good probably for 2 meals. A pepper, not exactly sure what to do with this. And I got some bell peppers because I love bell peppers. I got some carrots to add to something, jalapenos, some jalapenos. I got kale as well for my green juice. But yeah, that is literally everything that we got. I definitely recommend going to the farmer's market for things like this. I mean, this is so cool. It feels really like kind of bougie to go to the farmer's market and be like, ooh, I'm gonna get my produce here. I am going to glue my puzzle together at least as best as I can. I'm gonna just do a thin layer of Mod Podge on top for now. I don't have anything to put under my puzzle at the moment. Now I have completed like painting or gluing it together. A whole week has passed and I look crazy because I kind of just woke up. We just went for a walk. Look at all my dirty laundry. No, that's clean. Clean laundry on the floor that I need to fold and put away. I think I'm gonna vlog the day. There's not really gonna be much that I'm doing because honestly, I feel sick. My time of month is around. I really honestly feel dead inside. I won't lie. These are the current laundry pods that I'm using. I've tried many Tide pods. These ones make my clothes smell the best. It is so nice not having the puzzle on my table anymore. Okay, so I didn't show myself making breakfast because it just would be faster and I am starving. I made some oatmeal with some blueberries and some strawberries and then just some turkey bacon with 1 egg and then 2 servings of egg whites. The Desperate Housewives, if you guys have never seen it, you need to watch it. You need to watch it.
Still, nothing exciting had ever happened to Martha Hoover. Until the night she was murdered.
Hello, Mrs. Hoover.
Anybody home? Good news. Finished my book, so I thought to celebrate you could take me out to lunch.
I'm going to edit this video now, so I'm gonna switch to my phone for a little bit for the filming and work on my laptop. Good morning. I kind of suck at vlogging. Honestly, yesterday after I ate, I didn't really do too much. I was cramping. So I am hungry. I'm gonna make my breakfast hash. Only 2 left. And butter. It is currently 6:30. I just got home from my little walk with Oliver. It was really nice. I just wish that he would stop trying to smell every single thing because it makes the walk shorter, but like it takes just as long. I'm trying to eat before 8 o'clock and like shower and just like kind of get ready for bed a little early today. I have a pickup order at Target for my coffee because I'm out of coffee and my Ollipops. I don't want to like buy food, but my food is frozen. Not all of it, but like the meat. And I feel like I need a meat. got a Legal Pete's for dinner, and I'm so excited. I just got a steak bowl, yeah, with lettuce, black beans, white rice, cheese, sour cream, guac, green salsa, and bell peppers.